Good morning, dear children. Welcome to this video session where in this module I'm going to teach you the lesson named Measures of Dispersion in Statistics. I told you about the importance of studying about the measures of dispersion in my previous module. If the measures of averages helps us to summarize the data using a single value, these measures of dispersion helps us to find out the variability in such a data. So we have already discussed the two measures such as range and the quartile deviation. The next we have to discuss about the mean deviation. So while studying the measures of averages, we know how to calculate the arithmetic mean. So here, as we are studying the measures of dispersion, we are going to find out the deviations in the mean value. Mean deviation. The formula of mean deviation is given below. Mean deviation is also known as the average deviation. In this case, deviations taken from any average. You know that which are the different averages: mean, median, mode. So here the deviations taken from any average, especially mean, median or mode. So while taking deviations, what we have to do, we have to take into account its what symbols. That is, if the values are negative values, we have to ignore the negative items and consider all of them as positive. That is the thing that we have to take into consideration while calculating the deviations from the mean or any of the averages. That means we have to consider all the values as positive values. If any other negative items are there, we have to ignore such negative values. And the formula to find out the mean deviations are, the first one is, if we have to take the deviations from the mean, the formula is MD equals sigma D by capital letter N. So what is this? D means, that is, you know how to calculate the value of D, isn't it? While studying the arithmetic mean, we know how to calculate the value of D. So D equals x minus A, isn't it? We have to find out the assumed mean and we have to take the, yes, x minus A. We have to take the value of a variable minus assumed mean divided by, yes, n. That is the total number of values. So here, if you want to take the deviations from the mean, the formula equals MD equals sigma D by capital letter N. In the same manner, if you want to take the deviations from the median, MD equals sigma M by N. That is median sigma M by N. Whereas if we want to take the deviations from the mode, MD equals sigma Z by N. So these are the three formulas that we have to take into consideration while calculating the deviations. So children, these are the formulas to calculate the, yes, that is after calculating the different measures of averages such as mean, median and mode, these are the formulas to find out the mean deviations from the different measures of averages. So children, I hope this session related to the explanations of mean deviation is precise for you. Thank you children for watching this video.